What's up, Coach Leandro? This is my periodic table project.
All right, coach. So I want to start off by giving some historical, like some background knowledge. So Mendeleev was the professor that arranged the periodic table by atomic mass and left spaces for future elements that were later discovered. His successor, Henry Moseley, arranged it by increasing the atomic number, which is how the modern day period is structured. I structured my table the way Moseley did. For my periodic table project, I decided to use candy of different colors. Then I used a poster board and painted it. I painted it into a shape of a fish's body, as you can see. And the background is an ocean, and I have some other things, the grass, the seaweed down here.
So as you can see, I colored the fish different colors and corresponded it, I corresponded it with different color candies, as you can see here. And those candies represent the different types and colors of candies represent what type of elements they are. As in, the grape Jolly Rancher is alkali metals, the watermelon Jolly Rancher is alkaline metals, the blueberry Jolly Rancher is transition metals, the green Jolly Rancher, green apple, is post-transition metals, the pink Starburst is metalloids, the yellow Starburst is nonmetals, the orange Starburst is halogens, and the red Starburst is noble gases. At the top, I have how I wrote the atomic number, element, symbol, and atomic mass. This is the key. So I decided to do 44 elements from hydrogen to radon, except the transition metals, which are over here. First, I have a yellow starburst as hydrogen. Hydrogen is actually a non-metal, unlike the rest of the group 1. The purple starbursts are all alkali metals. Alkali metals are very reactive. Next, I have the watermelon Jolly Ranchers, which is group 2, and these are alkaline earth metals. Every element in this group has a +2 charge, and they usually bond with group 16. Next, I have my transition metals, which are blue, and they are groups 3 through 12. These are great conductors of heat. The green Jolly Ranchers are post-transition metals. These are also known as just basic metals. Next, I have the pink starburst are the metalloids, which are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium. The yellow starbursts are the nonmetals. The nonmetals are poor conductors of heat, and they are dull and brittle. Next, I have the halogens, which are the orange starbursts. The halogens on my table are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Last, I have the red starbursts, and these are the noble gases. The noble gases on my table are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. All the noble gases have 8 valence electrons except for helium, which only has 2. Helium is right there. Noble gases are also the least reactive since they are all already stable. As you go down, as in down from top to bottom, the atomic radius increases and it decreases left.
to right. The family with the highest ionization is the halogens. It's not the noble gases because, like I said before, they are all stable.
Alright, coach, that was my video and my presentation. I love you. You're my favorite teacher, like I've said so many times. And I'd do anything for you, coach. Love you. Adios.